These are the seats that came with the car. I just don't like it. These are maybe genuine. These ones are coming out. I'm going to put the standard ones back in because they're just better suited to the car. Comfier, electric, heated, all that. So these are going to come out. Put the standard ones in. Okay, so most people probably want these in their car, but they're not for me. I'm questioning whether they're actually genuine ones, so at the moment I'm going to just take them out and just put the standard ones back in. It's been a few years since these were in. I think when I got them I had to do something with the wiring, so the airbag light wasn't on, so I'm not sure, or I can't remember how I wired that up, so I'll take it out and then try and put it back to standard. Okay, so these are the new seats. These took me an absolute age to find in these condition. So I'm just going to give them a quick wipe down, clean down, and then get these fitted. Right, okay, that's the seats in, plugged in. I'm going to put the battery back on and test them first before I start bolting them down, but hopefully they do work. Success! So, now airbag lights on, and if I move, I move. If I go back, I go back. So now airbag lights on, they're working, heated seats are on. You'll just have to take my word that they're working, but no, quite happy with them, so I'll bolt them down now. Right, what I'm doing next is I'm going to take out the roof liner. I used this Autobrite black dye on my Land Rover before, and I quite liked it. I think I did a pretty good job, so I'll give it another whirl and see what happens. I'll find that later. I can edit that out. Oh, crap. I'll also find that later. Good news is it looks really, really good for saying there's one coat on there. Bad news is I've sprayed everything else around it, including on his bike. Damn. But it looks really, really good. So I'm going to do a second coat, and then I'll probably do the third one anyway, just to use it all up. But I'm quite happy with that one. So there goes. Second coat. Okay, so what I've ended up doing is actually painting it on. The squirting nozzle actually ended up stopped squirting. That's nothing on the product that I'm using. The bottles that I have used are probably a few months old anyway. So I've ended up painting it on, and I'm probably getting a bit of a better and even coverage on there. Don't worry about it at the moment, that's all drying, but it's actually looking pretty good. So original colour, black. Original colour, black. Bad, good. And I'm happy. So I'm going to paint or dye or paint and dye the sun visors next. Okay, they're hanging, they're drying. Just a plastic bit there to spray. This is all drying nicely. Hopefully that comes out more even than what it was with a dodgy sprayer thingamajig. And then once all that's dry, I can build up the interior. It's looking good.
my face.
We're in. I think I broke my earlobe or something. So that's the interior built up, minus the sun visors, but I'll be doing them. Looks a lot better in black, so I'm quite happy with that. Just the rest of the car that I've got to do. So I'll be moving on to doing the headlights, restoring them, and then I'll be getting it on axle stands and doing more to it. Gearbox out, coilovers, some bits and pieces. So keep watching, and thanks very much.
Ride or die, I keep well on my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.